Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss about a parallel operation in multi-axis. So first we need to object. So I have a drawing. You will see. This is our drawing. And after operation our object is look like this one. Now first of all create a drawing in MasterCAM. So this dimension is 15, 3, 5. So now in MasterCAM, wireframe, line, give multi-line 15 and lock my dimension. Okay, my next dimension is 3 and next dimension is 5 and okay. Now you will see this is the taper line. So first of all we create this one. So total dimension is 65, 7, 12 and 8. So in MasterCAM, line 65, okay. Now 7, 12, 8, next 3, 2 and directly connect. So in MasterCAM, 3, 2, okay. I will unlock my dimension and directly connect. Okay. So now you will see the shape is create. In drawing, you will see in middle the whole dimension is radius 4. So in MasterCAM, line the dimension is 4 and lock. So I will again create the line, unlock and directly okay. Now I will trim this line and this line. Okay. So you will see now our section is ready. So in MasterCAM, in solid, and I will revolve this section. So click on your chain, OK, and select your axis. OK. So now you will see our section is revolved. Now in this drawing, you will see this section in bottom view. The small hole radius is 1 and the large hole radius is 2 and the 4 object on quadrant point. So in MasterCAM you will see alter 6 for a left side view. Now in wireframe create a line, dimension is 2 and lock by quadrant point. Okay, now the circle dimension is 2 radius and lock again here. Again new and 1 radius. Okay, now the line by quadrant point, unlock dimension and straight line. Again straight line. Okay, now create a circle, unlock dimension by this point to this circle. The dimension is 15 and okay. Now trim. So trim your entity. Okay. So now you will see our object is ready. So alter 7 isometric view. Now I will select in solid extrude. Select this one and select this one and OK. In reverse direction the value is 3 Okay, so our object is ready. Again, in left side view, circular pattern, select your main body, select your pattern body. Okay, in full circle, 3 body, and okay, alter 7. So you will see now in the drawing this section is ready, only this slot are remain. So first of all, the dimension of slot is 11 into 7 and the fillet is radius 1. So in MasterCAM, in top view, we will apply rectangle but with fillet in rectangular shape. So our dimension is 13 by 7 and the radius is 1 by this origin. So I will click on this point and okay, you will see in wireframe view. Now I will select this rectangular shape, in transform, translate and give your value. In x-axis the value is 15 and your method is copy. Now one more object add. Okay, I will set the isometric view. You will see all objects are in center. So again alter 1, select all your rectangle, in translate. Now give your value in z-axis 14. So now you will see our object is move. So click on move only and okay. Now I will click on a shaded view, alter 1, again top view, in solid and extrude select your object and okay. So you will see our value is 5. You will see in wireframe C. Again shaded view and okay. Now create a circular pattern of this object because you will see in our drawing this pattern. Okay, circular pattern, select your main body, select your pattern body and okay. So you will see the pattern is created by this axis because the C plane is in top. So change your C plane in right side view. You will see. So now I will click on solid body cut and okay. So you will see our object is ready. Alter 7 isometric view. Okay, you will see in drawing. So now our object is ready for operation. First we need to select machine. So click on machine, mill and default. Now we will select the parallel operation in multi-axis. So click on parallel. Select your toolpath type parallel. Tool selection. So in filter select your tool. OK. And select library tool. Select your tool as per your requirement. I will select the 3-dia tool and OK. Now holder selection. So I will select B2C30016 holder. In stock value no changes. In cut pattern click on surface, click on this arrow and select your surface wall like this one. So click on this face. Click on end selection and select your dry surface. Click on this arrow, select your bottom face and click on end selection. Now in area, select your second option full start and end at extract surface edges. This is your step over. But now we will no change in this value. Now in tool axis, select your tool axis control by surface. In collision value, no changes. In linking, no changes. In dropping, click on depth of cut and set your depth of cut. Like I will give in roughing pass 2 number of passes and the value is 0.5. In finish passes 2 passes and the value of 0.2. Use ramp and OK. So you will see our tool path is ready. Now we will check in backplot operation. So backplot and play. Okay. So this operation is applied. I will cancel this view. Now for apply same operation on other slot. So select your operation and click on tool path transform. I will select rotate, source and CI method. In rotate we will give 7 and the total angle is 360. And our rotation plane. So rotation plane is right side. OK and click on OK. So you will see. Now you will see this one value is higher. So click on again parameter. In linking option you will select the height and incremental height. Change your value like 30 and again 30. OK and regenerate your operation. Click on this and again regenerate your operation. So you will see. Now same operation for second slot. So click on parallel. Our tool is already selected. So select your holder in cut pattern. Surface selection. So select your all wall surface. And click on end selection. Now dry surface. So click on arrow and select your bottom surface. End selection. Now select your area option. Tool axis control. We will already selected this option. Now in roughing we will also give a depth of cut. So click on OK. You will see. Now again tool path transform. So select your operation. Click on tool path transform. Rotate the 7 object by 360 angle and our plane is right side. OK. So you will see. Now one more time apply operation for last slot. So click on parallel. Holder selection. In cut pattern surface selection. Select all faces of side view or side wall. OK. So now click on end selection. Select your drive surface. Click on this arrow. Select your bottom face and end selection. Now in tool axis control we will already given this value. In roughing also. So OK. So you will see our object is ready. Now select your operation. Tool path transform. Rotate. We will give our value in rotate. So only click on OK. So our all toolpath is ready. You will change your depth of cut value or step over value as per your requirement. Like you will see, click on parameter. In cut pattern, you will change your step over value like 0.5 and OK. Regenerate your operation. Again, regenerate your operation. Now, in second, cut pattern and the step over value is 0.5. OK. Regenerate and second option also regenerate. In last one, in cut pattern, step over value 0.5. OK. And both operation also regenerate. Okay. So now we will check in verify selected operation. But first we need to set up for a stock. So I will change in wireframe view. In wireframe and create a circle by this center point and the right side view. Okay, the circle value is 10. In other side, I will select center point and this value is 13. Okay. Now in solid, I will click shaded view. First of all, select my object, select this circle and select this circle. In home and hide other object. So now solid, loft, select this circle, select second circle and OK. So you will see the solid object is created. OK. Boolean, select this object. OK. And now tool body, click on add and select other object. OK. So add your object and OK. Now you will see. So now we will set up for our stock value. So click on properties, stock setup, select solid, click on this arrow, select your solid object. OK. So in toolpath, I will hide my stock. In parameter, first of all, I will set the tool value is 1.5. OK. And regenerate operation. In this also regenerate operation. In next, I will also change my tool 1.5. OK. So regenerate, otherwise select all operation and regenerate. OK. So now verify selected operation and play. So you will see our object is ready. So I will close this view. After operation, our object is look like this one. You will see. So this is a parallel operation. In next lecture, we will discuss about the multi-axis drill. Thank you friends.